Welcome to the Deep Dive, your quick way to get informed. Today, we're diving straight into our AI Daily Deep Dive. We've got the top 5 AI news stories from today, Wednesday, September 17th, 2025. And here's the interesting part. This entire deep dive, the research, the script, all generated entirely by AI.
Yeah. Makes you think, right?
It does.
Our mission today is, well, to get you up to speed fast on these really significant AI developments. We're pulling out the key nuggets so you can grasp what's shaping AI right now.
Okay, let's unpack these 5 stories. First up, something that really made me look twice. Google's Gemini 2.5 AI.
Yes, the ICPC.
Exactly. It won a gold medal at the 2025 International Collegiate Programming Contest World Finals. Solved 10 out of 12 problems, second place overall against university teams. But the real kicker.
The kicker is problem C. It was this super complex, multi-dimensional optimization thing. And involved, get this, hypothetical flubber reservoirs.
Flubber, okay.
Yeah, basically managing this weird volatile stuff under tight constraints. And the point is, all 139 human teams, they couldn't solve it. 0.
Wow. But Gemini did. How?
It used some pretty advanced techniques. Dynamic programming, breaking the big problem into smaller bits, and something called nested ternary search to, efficiently find the best solution.
So it didn't just solve it, it found a way that stumped everyone else. Google sees this as a big step towards AGI, right? Artificial General Intelligence.
They do, and you can see why. It's not just computation, it's devising novel strategies for complex abstract problems. That has huge implications for things like semiconductor design, biotech, complex systems optimization, basically.
Right, a powerful signal. Okay, let's pivot from programming contests to geopolitics. Story number 2, China.
A big move here.
China has officially banned its top tech companies from buying Nvidia's RTX Pro 6000D AI chips.
Yeah, this comes from the Cyberspace Administration of China, the CIGASI. It's really a strategic play for technological self-sufficiency, less reliance on American tech.
So companies like ByteDance, Alibaba, they were already testing these chips.
They were. Testing, even starting procurement, and then halt. Abruptly stopped. It shows China's serious about building its own capabilities.
Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, kind of acknowledged the larger agendas involved between the U.S. and China.
He did. Look, it's clearly part of that bigger picture. China's aiming to, triple its own AI processor output soon?
Yeah, in the next year.
So while it's a hit for Nvidia, maybe short term, it really underlines this deepening tech decoupling. We're seeing potentially separate spheres of AI development emerging.
Fascinating and maybe a little worrying. Okay, let's bring it back to more practical applications. Story 3, Amazon.
Right, helping out independent sellers this time.
They've unveiled a new AI-powered seller assistant. Agentic AI, they're calling it. What does that mean here?
Agentic AI basically means it can do more than just respond. It can reason, it can plan, and importantly, it can take action for the seller, with their permission, of course.
So it's like a proactive business partner.
Exactly. Think intelligent inventory management, optimizing FBA, navigating compliance rules. It does the legwork.
And even helps create ads. The source mentioned a Father's Day video ad.
Yeah, using their Creative Studio tool. That ad apparently got a 338% jump in click-through rate.
Wow. So the big leap is that proactivity. It anticipates need.
That's the core difference. It saves sellers huge amounts of time, helps them optimize things they might miss. Downside. Maybe deeper lock-in to Amazon's ecosystem, but the upside seems pretty significant right now.
Okay, next up, healthcare AI. This sounds potentially revolutionary. Delphi 2M.
Delphi 2M, yes.
Yeah.
A new generative AI tool that can predict risk for over 1,000 diseases.
1,000? How does it work?
It's developed by EMBL, the German Cancer Research Center, and the University of Copenhagen. They trained it on massive amounts of anonymized patient data. Think UK Biobank, Danish National Patient Registry. It analyzes medical histories, lifestyle factors, and generates probabilistic forecasts, predicting risk up to 20 years out.
20 years? That's incredible. So this could really shift healthcare towards prevention.
That's the hope. Moving from just reacting to illness to genuinely anticipatory care. Imagine getting personalized forecasts and targeted advice before you even have symptoms. It's a different paradigm.
Truly transformative potential there. All right, our final story is, well, it's a much more sobering one.
Eliezer Yudkowsky.
Yeah, a prominent voice in AI safety. His view is stark. If anyone builds a super intelligent AI, everyone dies.
It's a heavy statement. His argument essentially is that a true superintelligence won't share our goals or values.
Right, the alignment problem.
Exactly. He believes it will pursue its programmed goals with absolute ruthless efficiency, and human welfare just won't factor in. The classic example is the paperclip maximizer AI that destroys humanity to make more paperclips.
And he thinks alignment is fundamentally unsolvable for superintelligence, that research and regulation won't cut it.
That's his position. He sees it as an inherent, unavoidable outcome, not a manageable risk.
Is that alarmist? Or a necessary wake-up call?
Look, whether you agree with the certainty or not, his perspective forces a crucial conversation. It highlights the immense challenge. How do we ensure something vastly smarter than us remains beneficial to us? Can we truly align it? It's a profound question for humanity.
It really is. So wrapping this up, what does all this mean for you, our listener?
Well, we've seen AI excelling in complex logic, reshaping global tech policy, empowering businesses, starting to revolutionize healthcare.
And forcing us to ask these huge existential questions. The pace is just staggering.
It really is. You need to consider how these developments impact your work, your life, your future.
Which leaves us with a final thought. As AI keeps learning and shaping our world so rapidly, how much of our future should we let it design? And how much must we keep firmly, thoughtfully in human hands? Thanks for joining us on the Deep Dive.